No, that's lame. Maybe you should say something about snail mail. You could say like, who wants some quarantine snail mail? Or not.
So we're just gonna cancel this.
So Audrey and I right now are on our way to Starbucks, and then we were just gonna go sit at the park in the sunshine. Audrey's gonna write some letters. Some quarantine snail mail. I used to write letters actually. It's been a long time since I wrote a letter.
Yeah.
But when I was like 12, I wrote letters literally like every single day. I used to write a bunch of letters to my best friend in homeschool. We literally, every single day we would write, it was literally every day. I would get a letter from her and I would send one back, and we would see each other once or twice a week anyway. So I don't know how we came up with so much stuff to just ramble on about. Sometimes we would make like little crafts and stuff, or like collages on construction paper with like magazine clippings. It was adorable. I would write a lot of letters to Anna and Betsy, our cousins. Actually, our cousins were pretty much our only friends.
Yeah. Fine, it's fine.
For me, until like age 12, my cousins were my only friends. Then I wrote letters to my homeschool friends. And then there was a boy.
We don't talk about that.
We don't talk about it. I think I chucked all of those letters. And then I start a bunch of letters, but they never get finished.
Yeah.
Kind of like actually with how my vlogs tend to go. It was really hard for me to start actually making and posting vlogs, because I would start making them and then like get maybe 2/3 of the way through and be like, this is terrible, no one is gonna like this, which I still do. Okay, that's another thing that makes me kind of sad. I made a vlog this last week, I don't remember, maybe like 5 days ago, and it got destroyed. iMovie said absolutely not.
Cancel.
Yeah, it canceled merdit vlogs. Days filming, hours editing. So when it gets destroyed, ripped out of my hands, I don't like it. One of the letters that Audrey is sending. Some quarantine snail mail.
Yeah.
Hashtag coronavirus.
Yeah.
We just got to the Starbucks drive-thru, and I think this lady is changing a diaper.
Wait, what?
She held up the drive-thru like she was changing a diaper in the drive-thru. So I just ordered a iced matcha latte. Green tea matcha latte.
Green tea. Matcha latte. I'm like flashing your debit card all over the video.
Well, stop it.
So
I don't have enough editing skills to blur that out.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. We're going to get started for you today.
Hi, can I please get a grande iced matcha latte?
Grande iced matcha latte. What else can I get for you?
And then can I do a venti iced coffee with sugar-free vanilla syrup and heavy cream and an extra shot of espresso?
Ooh. I lost my count of that. I'm so sorry.
Sorry. She said oof.
She's making ASMR. Shh. I don't have good enough hands for ASMR to make me sad.
I'll do it for you.
No, get your hands out.
Ow. Abusing my sister ASMR.
Do you guys have tingles?
I'm tingling with rage.
Oh, the person in front of us got a venti frap.
I am terrified of people who can drink venti fraps. They are powerful. That drive-thru run was a disaster.
If you want me to write you a letter, leave your address in the comments.
Who wants some quarantine snail mail?
Hate crime.
Okay, we're on our way to the park. My big hoops make me feel powerful.
My little hoops make me feel powerful too, because they're still bigger than anything else I wear.
So when I wear these, I feel like I could kick some butt.
Kicking some
Big
major
hoop energy.
butt.
Yeah. I wish I could do the Antonio Garza thing. Antonio Garza, I know you're watching this.
I see you.
There's graffiti on this bridge that says Helen Keller is fake.
What? What would even be the point of like making up Helen Keller? Do you want to hear my conspiracy theory that I made up one day?
Yeah.
I
have decided that elephants are fake because of how they walk. Like, have you ever seen an elephant walk? It just looks like a person. So I've decided that back in like 1962 approximately, Ronald Reagan he made elephants, and they're just people in costumes. So, I'm just saying, like, did you see any elephants before 1962? So Audrey and I are just chilling at the park. I brought 2 books actually. I brought Crazy Rich Asians because I watched the movie with Audrey and I wept in the theater. And then I also brought this, which is a book of poems. I really like them, so. Plus I love both of these books because they're just pretty. A dog named Lucky just sniffed my hand and I feel so blessed. Do you feel lucky? Which minion are you today, Audrey?
Honestly, I'm probably that one.
Crazy wizard tie-dye dude?
Yeah, that's kind of me every day.
I think I'm this one.
Sure.
3 hours later.
It feels so weird to be like driving and vlogging while I'm in the car again. It feels like it's been a really long time since I did that, and I don't think I realized how much I actually just vlogged in the car until I like wasn't driving places. It feels nice. I missed it. I missed our chats, you know? I'm currently on my way to go meet my boyfriend for coffee. I'm pretty excited about it. He and I, especially like towards the beginning of the quarantine, were like really careful about social distance. Well, not just social, like we did not see each other. Even still, we're like not doing like real dates. Like we're just kind of hanging out. And then also we play a lot of like Call of Duty online, and he also got me into playing Dark Souls, so we'd play Dark Souls together online, which is nice because he helps me because I'm really bad at it. I need to work on my 24 Italian songs project. I need to do at least one today, so I need to record that today. And then what was the other thing I was gonna do? Oh, I really want to do Eric Whitaker's virtual choir, so I think I'm gonna try to record that today too. Maybe we'll see. That's the plan, but for right now we're just gonna go get coffee with the for right now we're just gonna go get coffee with the boyfriend.
No, you gotta stop it.
He's a cutie.
I'm also out of coffee.
Okay, so previously I've always edited all of my vlogs on my phone, and I thought it was stupid because like it never worked super well and it's been glitching really bad lately, and that's the reason that my last one got destroyed. Cancel! So I thought I would try doing it on my MacBook, and I just found out that I have access to so many more sound effects on my MacBook. I'm so excited. This vlog is gonna be so good.